Hey guys, it's Yaya. Happy holidays. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super creamy moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Starting with the water phase, I'm adding aloe vera gel. It's super hydrating and nourishing for the scalp and hair. Next, I'm adding panthenol. Panthenol is a vitamin that helps combat hair loss by deeply penetrating the hair shaft and retaining moisture. Now you need to heat up your water phase so it can be ready to mix with your oil phase. The oil phase will consist of your butters, oils, and waxes. I'm using Mirror butter. It's super lightweight, yet it's softening to the hair and it penetrates deep into the hair shaft and the scalp, leaving it super moisturized. It locks in the moisture and leaves your hair super conditioned. It's perfect for conditioners. Next, I'm adding BTMS 50. This is the emulsifying agent. It's going to bring the oil and water phases together so that they will not separate. It is also a conditioning agent and is a must for your conditioner. Next, I'm adding hemp seed oil, which is filled with omega fatty acids. It's going to help stimulate hair growth. So next, I'm adding cetearyl alcohol. This is going to help thicken the conditioner. It's also going to provide some awesome slip that every conditioner needs. And now that your oil phase is complete, you can go ahead and melt it down, melt everything together so that it can combine with the water phase. You want to have these around the same temperature when you add them together, whether you're putting the water into the oil or the oil into the water. Just make sure you add it slowly so that it can mix well and emulsify very well. So while I'm still blending, I think it's important to note that I am adding a preservative, and the preservative that I'm adding has to be added while the mixture is still hot. If I wait until it cools down, it could destabilize my mixture, and it also can mess up my emulsification of the oil and water, and they can begin to separate. So you want to be very careful about that. Just do your research about preservative so you can know which one works best for you for whatever product that you're trying to make, and also what point in the product you need to add it. Alright you guys, that's it. This is the super creamy DIY moisturizing hair conditioner. I'm so happy that I had the opportunity to make this, and I think it came out really well. The viscosity of this will change. It will be a little thicker, but not thick like a body butter. It will be like almost like a deep conditioner a little bit, but for me I wanted something thick because I have thick hair and it just works for me. If you're somebody who needs a thinner mixture, then you might want to give or take some of the ingredients that are in here to lessen the thickness of it. Also, this conditioner can be washed out of your hair. For some people it probably work better for them if they wash it out. For me, it works just fine for my hair. I can leave it in without any problems, but for those of you who might feel like you might have any kind of buildup of residue, you do not have to leave it in your hair. For me, there's no residue at all. It sucks right into my hair, like you guys will see in a second. It absorbs so well. I was very impressed with how well it absorbed, and it detangled my hair instantly. Now I do think it will probably work better on super wet hair. My hair was damped here, so yeah, but other than that guys, I'm very happy with this and I think it worked out just fine. I think I could tweak a few things here and there, but other than that I really like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below if you did. Like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. Or so yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.